Here we are. It's pissing with rain, blowing a gale, but we're fishing. It's all good. Well, actually, it's not so good. I've just had a pike. It's not very big. Let me just wipe off the lens here. I've just had a wee pike. It's not so big, but some fucking idiot has used what's called a Boga Grip. I'll show you this now in a minute. This pike's jaw is now smashed in two. All their gill rakers on one side of her, smashed out. This fish is emaciated and looks like it's about to die. If you can't fish for pike, if you can't handle pike, then fuck off and take up golf. Okay?
Calm down, son. Calm down. Calm down. See? So that's what Boga Grips do. I'm not going to show you inside its mouth because it's that's just a bit. You know what a gill raker looks like when it's all fucked up. There you go. Emaciated. Hollow. Whoever used that Boga Grip sentenced that fish to death, and it'd be kinder to knock it on the fucking head. Very windy. The weather's rough. Here's quite exposed anyway. It's nice, isn't it? You can be fishing here. It can be very obvious what you're doing, and men in boats. Can come and fish right over you. Manners are cheap, easy to carry.
Hey there folks. It's been a bit of a strange day if I'm honest. I wasn't really happy with the pike that I caught today. Out of the 4 fish that we did manage to catch, and you're going to see 2 of them pretty soon in the next clip here. But out of the 4 fish we managed to catch, the smallest fish of about 5 pounds, that was the only one that didn't have very severe damage to the fish. As you can see, there's quite a lot of litter. I found like traces in trees. I found bags of litter. There was basically litter, dog shit and crap everywhere. I was a little bit bummed out at the very start of the video because the first pike that I caught, some idiot had used a Boga Grip. Now I know it sounds like I'm going on a lot about Boga Grips, but these things are so destructive. They shouldn't be used in pike angling at all. You shouldn't be having them in your tackle box. They are so bad. If you have one, throw it in the fucking bin because it's no good for nothing. Are you in? Oh well, at least you're in. Don't let it get underneath you because you're
Still out there somewhere. Can't be too far away there, right, David?
yeah.
get him. He's alright. There you go. We'll find out.
First pike I've caught quite a while.
Are you clipped it, does it?
Can you get it? That's the fucking net's coming, sorry.
So this one's damaged as well. Big chunk took out of its gill.
Yeah. Not too bad a fat wee boy, is it?
See where you're hooked.
Get it?
Yes, easy enough. It's just in the scissors.
That was on the eel, so not bad.
Hold on.
That's the traces I made. That did you show me the thing with the
Yep,
red
saw
stuff
that.
again?
The bleeding leader. Alright. Do you want to weigh him?
Aye, go on. I haven't had a fish for a while.
You might want to extend the legs on the waist and the tripod then.
Gotta go up.
Oh, it has to go up. Just lift it up and push the button and fall down.
Can't fall out then there.
No, they're fixed. They're fixed.
Just under 12 and a half.
12 and a half.
Can I get a quick picture?
Yeah, sure.
Because I haven't had a fucking one of these. So the fucker away.
Right. I'm good. Come on. Are you on? about the same. Yeah, don't let him go underneath there. Yeah, we'll have to bring your rod because I can't get into it. Bring the rod with you. Try and get around this damn thing without falling in. Right, this one has damaged gills as well.
Fucking damage everyone we're meeting.
Yep.
Look at that. It's nasty looking, isn't it?
Right.
No.
No, it's alright.
What do you want me to do?
That's alright.
There's a trace there.
He's hitting the scissors with one treble, that's alright. I don't know where the other one is. Where's the other one? Right there, there's the other one there. No, no, it's alright, just leave that alone. Let's get over this side.
I'll pull that.
Going through the gills. Out. There you go.
Much the same as the last one. Was that like it, you think? Doesn't look good there, does it?
That's been badly handled, mate. You can tell that's badly handled. At least it can feed. But that's smaller than the last one.
Is it?
Oh, aye. Sure, I'll wait for you if you want.
Just a quick way then. I'll grab a quick picture of it. I'll use the camera.
Yeah.
What was that, a 12 and a half?
Yeah.
This one's going to be what, about 11 you think?
They're around about the same sort of size, I would think.
Just over 12.
Same sort of size. I'll let you go and release it.
I want to take a quick picture of this one as well.
Yes, just leave it in the hooking mat, then we'll take pictures.
Take one holding it. Is that alright?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it'd be better kneeling down. No, you'd be better kneeling down beside it.
My knee
Yeah, I'll move this over here.
Is that fine?
Yeah, it's okay. Right, look up. Get your hand under his gills. There you go.
Sorted. Thank you. Really?
Well, at least you
Like, how
catch
many
him.
times have we come out? Twice we've been out. And we blanked both times, didn't we?
Yeah.
To catch a fish. It's nice. Cute. This part of the world seems to work for me. Hey?
Yeah. Well, at least it's not a blank for him. Right. Time for a cup of coffee. Next bollocks I see with Boga Grips. Just getting a fucking medicine. time to give the bait the medicine. See, nice and dry. You can now see the islands. Tips and tricks time. This is a mackerel. I'm now going to show you how I pop it up. You have your standard deadbait trace, but you'll notice that there is a little link attached to it and a little counterweight, but we'll talk about that in a minute. You'll also notice I've cut the tail off the bait. This is to stop it spinning. So you hook up your bait as normal. You then take a baiting needle, thread it through the bait, so it comes out the head. You then put on one of these. This is a fox popper and a little bit of wire. When it's hooked on there, you pull it through the fish, like so. And then you go into the tail bit where you put the wire through again. And you pull it through the fish to there. I then have one of these little silicone sleeves that you attach to the bait, or you attach to the pop-up link, like so. You then clip this to the trace, like so, and thread that down on top of it, and there you have it, a popped up bait. Now because the wire is going straight through the bait, it means that you can hold the bit, you can give it an extra oomph of a cast. There's more than just the hooks holding it, there's like a length of wire that's running straight through the middle of it, so it gives you a lot more potential in the cast, shall we say. I'm now going to test this to see how it sits in the water. I'm going to show you that now. Does any better? Couldn't see the damn things. Sunshine! Oh, sun shining, pissing with rain and rainbows behind us.
I really want to say thank you to all the guys that subscribe to my channel. I cannot believe that there's over 80 of you guys that want to listen to the crap that I come out with. I want to say a huge thanks to you guys. Thank you so much. If you're new and you like what you see, then please feel free to like, leave comments, share and subscribe. If not, hey, can't please everybody.